What's going on, guys? Today we're going to go over how to shorten your URLs from Keep the Fees. When sending your URLs, like your booking links and your request forms, when they're sent through Meta, so Facebook and Instagram, specifically through Messenger and DM, Meta has a tendency to cut off the end of the URL. So what we've seen happen is once you send that URL, it directs your clients to the KTF website, the regular website. So in order to navigate that, there is a free way where you can shorten your URL. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And when you shorten the URL, you'll be able to send that and there will be no issues moving forward. So let's get into it. Very simple process. So here we are. So we're going to be using bit.ly to shorten our URLs. You can sign up for free. And if you want to have a paid account, you can. The free account does cover 5 links per month. So if you need more than that, either let me know at keepthefees.com and I can go ahead and make them for you if you need anything past the 5. So we're just going to sign up for free here real quick. Now that you've made a free account, you can go to create new and shorten a link. Now that we're here, you're going to copy and paste in your request link, your booking link here. Then you don't really need to fill out anything else. Hit create link down here. And there you have it. Right here, you'll have the bit.ly shorten link. And if we click here, it'll take you right to your request form or booking link. It's a very simple process. And again, if you need more than the 5, feel free to email me at keepthefees.com and let me know, hey, I already did my 5 for the month. Can you send me a new link? And I can go ahead and do that. Any questions at all, hit me on the email. You can hit up our support chat as well. Thank you.